You know, there are several text to image generative AI tools out there, and I've even reviewed quite a couple of them on this channel. But the free AI tools ecosystem for text to image generation I'm about to review in this video is going to make you want to ditch Midjourney and the rest of them. And trust me, you're going to get addicted to them. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. The AI tools in this ecosystem is subdivided into three categories. So the ones for the image editing, the ones for image formatting, and then the ones for image generation. And there are 10 in all. All right. Let's begin with the first one, which is the text remover that allows you to remove text from any image. So when I click on this button over here, I'm just going to add an image that I want to take out the text in that image, literally. All right. I have an image right now. You can see that you can add up to 10 images that you want to take out or remove the text from those images. All right. So I'm just going to tap on remove text. Remember that you can also use this to remove text watermarks from any image as well. All right. Now I'm going to tap on downscale. Okay, because that's the free option. Great. So you can see the before and the after of this image. I can use this background to do any other graphics of my choice. Isn't this amazing? Now there are 9 other AI tools inside this ecosystem, and the 9th and the 10th one are my very favorite, and trust me, those are going to also blow your mind if you stick around till the end. I realize that a lot of persons watch my videos and then don't get to subscribe. Well, few of them like. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button on this video. This is how you show me that you're interested in the videos that I make, which is all about showing you the vast untapped potentials of your smartphone. And you can also see that with your smartphone you can access and maximize AI tools, just as I try to do on my channel. And also, whether this is the first time or you're returning, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below so the algorithm can share this video with more people. Either ways, whether you're a new subscriber or you're just liking, thank you. The name of this AI ecosystem we are talking about is called Clipdrop.co. I learned about this Clipdrop from a guy named Elijah Otto. This guy, you should follow him on Twitter for more information about AI tools. All right, and he was actually talking about one of the tools for image generation. Then I got to find out that there are still plenty other AI tools inside of this ecosystem. Now, still talking about the image editing tools, the next one is the Rellight. Now, the Rellight tools are the tools that helps you to relight the color or add more lighting on your pictures. All right, so I'm going to tap on the Rellight and I'm going to find an image. So I have this image of my dear wife. All right, so we are going to be relighting this image. So we have the tool right now. Okay, so you can see the background. All right, if you want it to receive more light or make the background transparent or make it original, all right, so this is removing light the background from the image. If you want it to receive more light or if you just want it to become transparent, okay, these are all the things that you can do on your background. Okay, so I do not want this, so I just want it to probably receive more light. Okay, now all of the tools here is actually meant to what? Relight your pictures. I'm not really so good with this, but I believe that with time of constant using it, you're going to understand how to use the Rellight tool to make your pictures more beautiful. Still on the image editing category is the remove background AI tool. All right, so the remove background, of course, helps you to take out background from your images with one click. All right, so there are a lot of AI tools that does this, but inside this ecosystem you can also find a tool that can be used to remove background. All right, so to do this, I'm just going to tap on this button to bring in an image. So you see, you can also add as up to like 10 images to remove background from them all at once. All right, so I'm going to tap on remove background and let's wait for the magic. The image background have now been removed and it was removed so perfectly. All right, so all I need to do is to tap on this button up here to download it. Now that's the third one. So we still have 7 more to go, and I hope you're not going nowhere. Okay, so this one is quite awesome, and that's the last two under the image editing category. So it's called the cleanup. All right, and you can see that it helps you to remove objects, defects, people, or text from pictures in seconds. Let's see how it works. So I have an image right here. I'm going to tap on the downscale. Okay, all right, so it says I should brush over the ones that I want removed. Okay, so I'm just going to, I would have loved to move. Okay, good. So I just tapped on move. So I want to like move it such that I can, now I can tap on the select. So let me try to brush over this one. Okay, all right. So I'm going to tap on high quality. Oh, so the high quality is going to ask for this. All right, so I'm just going to tap on cleanup. Okay, let's see the magic. Great. So you see, it actually removed the last person there, even though I didn't brush so well. I needed to like bring it closer to brush. But if we still move back, okay, you can see that the last person there is out. So now if you compare it with the first image and this image, you see that it was actually removed. So all of those photo bombers that come into your pictures, you can now use this AI to remove them perfectly. All right, now we are moving on to the next category, which is the image formatting. Now we're going to look at AI tools under or inside this AI tool ecosystem called Clipdrop that can be used to format images. The first AI tool inside this category, image formatting, is the image upscaler. All right, so upscale, denoise, and enhance your images in seconds. So if your image was of poor quality or lower quality, you can actually upscale it into a higher quality. Maybe there's an old picture that you have and you feel like you want to, upgrade it into higher quality. You can use this AI tool for that purpose. Tap on this button over here. All right, I'm just going to tap on upscale. All right, so let's see what it does. I think it's done. So this is before and this is after. All right, there was actually some smoothing. Okay, there was actually some smoothing. Okay, so this is before and this is after. Okay, all right, there's actually some difference. All right, so you can also try this right away. The next tool here, still inside the image format, is the uncrop tool. All right, so the uncrop tool helps you to uncrop your photo to any image format. Now I'm going to try this so you understand what this does. All right, so I'm going to tap on this plus sign and I'm actually going to find an image. Good. Okay, so I'm going to use this image right here. Okay, and you can see that this image was actually shot in portrait. Okay, so I now want to uncrop it into landscape. All right, so what I'm going to do is it's already selected the landscape. All right, or you can go to the custom, you can see landscape, you can see portrait or square. All right, now watch the magic that this AI tool is about to perform. So I'm going to tap on next. Great. All right, so you can see that it now generated it filled up the other sides of the image. All right, making it look as if we have the groomsmen, okay, of this couple, right? So this is the first option and this is the second option. All right, although that this doesn't really look so well. All right, so this is also another. Okay, this option is quite perfect because it now gave the groom a best man. All right, so you can see that it also added the pillars and transforming the image from this portrait to this landscape image. Now this one is this one is magical, and I believe you can also jump on this one right now to check it out. Finally is the image generation category. All right, now in the image generation, we're not going to be looking at the ones that can serve in the place of Midjourney and any other text to image generation AI tool. The first one in this category is the stable doodle. All right, so it says transform your doodles into real images in seconds. All right, so this is how it's going to work. So I'm just going to come over here and draw something that looks like this. Okay, I know that's not so good. All right, then I'm going to tap on this to add the prompts. An African boy walking down an Amazon forest. Okay, so I'm going to tap on generate. All right, so I've given, this is how I want it to look like. Now let's see what it's going to come up with. Oh, wow, this is good. All right, this is actually pretty good. All right, I think this is my fave. All right, this is practically my fave. All right, wow, I like the drawing, I like everything. It's just so perfect, right? So I believe that you now see why I said that the last set of AI tools in these ecosystem is going to wow you, right? So this is the first. So let's now check out the other three in this last category. The next one here is the one that is pro. We may not be able to use it or try it out, but just know that this AI tool helps to replace the background of an image and puts the person, teleports the person to anywhere, right? So you can put yourself, sitting on the same seat of the president of the US in White House or wherever, right? So that's what this AI tool does. Now we've come to the last two of my favorite Clipdrop AI tools. This one is quite awesome, right? Now it is called the Reimagine SL, all right? So it creates multiple variations from a single image with stable diffusion, right? So I'm going to tap on the clip, all right? And I'm going to bring in the image. Let's see other images that can emanate from this particular image. All right, so we have another one right here. So if you're into e-commerce, you can actually now use this tool to create different variations of your dress. Okay, so this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. You can also try this with an actual human picture and see what it does. Finally is the last one, which is my favorite, which I said that might make you ditch Midjourney and any other text to image gen AI tool that you currently know. That is if you don't already know about the Clipdrop Stable Diffusion SL. All right, so this Stable Diffusion actually creates amazing images, right? It generates amazing images. So again, we are going to do a prompt, and let's use the same prompt of an African boy walking down an Amazon forest, detailed, high quality, no distortion, no distortion, full body image. Okay, so if you go to the settings, you can also choose if you want any style at all. Okay, if you want any style at all, and if you also want to change the aspect ratio, probably from square to landscape or to portrait, I think we can put, no, let's put it on landscape. All right, so if there's any negative from that, what shouldn't be in your image, you can add it as well. All right, then this is the version, so let's use the version 1.0, and then let's tap on generate and watch the magic come up. Here are the images that it has generated, right? Here are all the images it has generated. If you compare it with Midjourney, it's almost going to look like it's an image generated by Midjourney, right? Now you can also notice that it has Clipdrop watermark on it. All right, and that is why you should check out my last video where I talked about AI image formatting tools that can help you take out watermarks from image. I'm going to link it up here. All right, was this helpful? Tell me, out of these 10 AI tools by Clipdrop's ecosystem, which of them is your favorite? And if you've also tried out any of them before, also tell me which of them was really the one that brought you to get to know about Clipdrop. With this, thanks for watching, and again, this is the last video I did where I taught how I create my YouTube shorts, and over here is a playlist where you can get to watch more smartphone based tutorial. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do make sure to subscribe if this video, which took quite a lot of time to create, was helpful to you. So click on this button over here to subscribe to my channel. With this, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.